There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2023 Dodge Charger GT in pitch black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control with stop, black one-piece performance spoiler, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 11,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, Dodge performance pages, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7540.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.